Hello, welcome to Human Anatomy and Physiology 1. Today we'll be reviewing Lecture Outcome 4.3 Control of Metabolic Reactions, specifically about how metabolic pathways are regulated. My name is Jessica Medrano, and I'll be your teacher for today. As human beings, we all need energy to survive. We're able to get this energy when we eat our foods and our bodies digesting it. This calls for metabolism within a cell with different chemical reactions that are controlled by specific enzyme. Some of these examples are glycolysis, Krebs cycles, and the electron transport chain. So what exactly are metabolic pathways? Metabolic pathways are a series of enzyme-controlled reactions leading to the formation of a product, which in turn leads to a synthesis or a breakdown of a particular biochemical. An example of this would be a product of a protein. Take this picture for example. It shows a series of reactions that is leading to a product. Each of the reaction is shown by the blue arrow. These reactions are controlled by the enzyme. And by each of the substrate that is produced, it's a product of the previous reaction. These pathways are regulated by what is called regulatory enzymes. These enzymes catalyze one step of the pathway that sets the rate for the entire reaction sequence. Regulatory enzymes have a limited number of molecules. Because of this, enzymes become saturated when the substrate concentration exceeds a certain amount. When this happens, the increasing of substrate concentration no longer affects the reaction rate. Because the enzyme does not work at high substrate concentrations, it gets its name rate-limiting enzyme. To further simplify this, it means that the rate of reaction is not limited by the substrate availability, but only the activity of that enzyme. Rate-limiting enzymes are often found at the beginning or first of the reaction sequence. For some of these metabolic pathways, the product of the pathway inhibits the rate-limiting enzyme. This type of feedback is called negative feedback. Negative feedback works in which, when there's a buildup of a product, this product in turn stops the rate-limiting enzyme to synthesize more product. But when there's a decrease of this product concentration, it activates the rate-limiting enzyme, creating more product. Hope you have enjoyed the summary of how metabolic pathways are regulated. Stay safe and wear your mask.